20 seconds. And let's wash it. Done. Hi mga katita beams! Welcome back again to my channel. Now I am going to show you how I prepare my Italian meatballs. It's so easy. The ingredients are carrots, onions, minced meat, and 1 egg. Put the egg, then mix it all together like that. We'll put the parsley, black pepper, salt, and mix again. And we will add breadcrumbs. I think it's enough. Breadcrumbs. And then halo-halo. Mix. And now we will start to make a ball. Ganito ako gumawa, guys. Yan, oh, di ba? Looks good, like a ball, a small ball. Oh. And then we will do it again. Round and round and round and round. Don't worry, guys. My hand is clean. I already washed it. One minute. Yan. I have 2 balls now. I have 2 balls now. Yan, I made already 4 balls. And how about you guys? How do you make your meatballs? Flat balls? I make round. Yan. Yung meatballs na ito, this is the favorite of my niece and nephew. They like meatballs. And also, I like it all. I like it too, balls. Balls. Yan, guys. Just making you laugh. For good vibes. Yan. I have a lot of balls now. Ang dami na. How can I eat all of these balls?
Anyways, thank you again to all those who subscribe with my channel, and for those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe in my channel, and don't forget to click the like and also share it. Thank you to all.
I already made the sauce, so I will put my meatballs here. Guys, I don't fry this. I put directly without frying. This one like that, and then it will be cooked here in the sauce. That's it.